Look like it's my room. You doing good, boys? Yeah. So after we finish, gotta go top plate between the toe, okay? Thank you, man. Just can't get this time, right? What are we doing? Yo, I did it. Ready.